All right, onto the track. It took a while to use this trailer to get it like set up and everything. First time using it, but got the pit crew.
Sketchy, man.
Sketchy. Pretty much, I'm probably gonna just do another clip at the track. All right, we're here. Park back here because I gotta load it off and it's gonna be a little mission to take it off. But you got all the homies over there and the track's on the other side of that. Race numbers didn't come in, so I gotta improvise.
Alright, we're just going to get started then. Just in case anybody's new today, as you drive up to the light, it is the yellow light that is on.
All right, I'm pretty sure I'm picked out first to go. Well, first group, STU group. I'm gonna try to run with, oh my God, it's a mess in here. I'm gonna try to run with my Ray-Ban sunglasses that have cameras. So, let's see if I can find them. All right, let's hope it has full charge. Probably gonna put it on. If you can see anything. And another thing, we gotta see if the glasses fit with the helmet. So. Yeah, it works. All right, Carlos is gonna take me out. I'm gonna just be passenger just to feel it out.
I was gonna offer to take you through in your car if you wanted.
Yeah, no. Right now, because I mean, he said I could go passenger really quick here.
That's fine.
And then, I mean, whenever it's my turn.
Yeah, when I take you through in your car, it won't count as one of your runs.
Okay, yeah.
But I would have to take you through before. Now, if he's going, are you going out one of the first drivers? Yeah, because we're double. So. Okay, all right, then fine. When you come back,
you could do. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Awesome. Yep.
Thank you. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Go, go, go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Yeah! In out, in out, in out. Oh, you hit a cone. My boy hit a cone.
Can you get us in a little bit? I'm going to take a for an instructor run. After him, okay. So, have you ever done this before?
No.
Okay. There's the
Other side.
other side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
5-speed. She's street tires.
All right.
All stock, coilovers, catback.
Is there an emergency brake on this?
No, it should go.
Okay, just clutch some travel on it.
Yeah.
Let him know, honey.
Watch that. Oh,
Yep. No,
okay,
he's stopped.
sorry.
Sorry, I'm messing up your seating position.
It's all right.
Let your brain decipher what you're looking at and give it time.
Yeah.
Like when you look up and you're like, what the heck? Don't guess, you know?
Yeah.
Don't guess. Just look and be like, okay, what does that mean?
Yeah.
And they're gonna, when you start off, you'll be going slower than average because you've never done this.
Yeah.
They're gonna know. They're not gonna send anybody after you.
Yeah.
So give your brain time to figure out what you're looking at, and if you do it that way, you're gonna automatically go faster by your last run without trying.
Okay.
But if you go out there and try to go fast, it's gonna be like beating your head against a wall.
All right.
Don't let it surprise you.
Open up.
That way you can come through here. Now you gotta get back through here.
Yeah.
You gotta kind of wiggle through here. And this, I don't like this element.
Yeah.
Because you need to get back over here at a decent angle. These are
It's not bad. It's not bad, yeah.
No drama.
Yeah.
No.
That's nice.
However, I've been doing this for 15 years and I know where I'm going.
Okay.
So you're probably going to go even slower than that.
Yeah.
I look up, and because I've been doing this for so long, it's a lot like speaking a foreign language.
Yeah.
I just know what I'm going to do.
Okay.
You have to, like, this is like a foreign language.
Yeah. I'll go a lot slower, take my time to think through it.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so I let somebody rip it and somehow it went really, really good. So time to try it out myself.
That second cone there. What do you want to look like when you get there? All right. That's better. That's better. All right.
I gotta check, I'm gonna double check my suspension. All right, let's go. I've been getting major adrenaline every time. This is, I've gone 3 times. I got 2 more runs. And, I mean, I have street tires on. It's good. It's just suspension and exhaust and short shifter. The steering wheel helps a lot. But, I mean, it's nice. It's nice. I just gotta I gotta look ahead in the track and feel it out. But it's doing good. I'm doing good time for beginners. I'm doing good time for street tires, everything like that. It's looking good. POV. This is what I look like. I flexed the carbon fiber helmet, but I'm set up. Quick track day, quickly, like, it was probably 5-10 minutes of film, and then I did 5 runs. I got a little better and better. It's pretty fun. It's really hot, but I don't know, I just do this for fun. It's no competition. This is actually just for, I'm bored. All right, done.